Wednesday.
Yeah,
We're a little
yeah.
behind. I think we forgot last week, but
we were so
sorry.
busy.
We were really busy getting ready for Sarah Diddy, and we had a blast.
We did. We had a great time, and she is so good.
She's wonderful. She may even come back and do an English paper piecing class for us. So if you're interested, let us know. And we have her fabric to show you before we're done today. We finally put it out for the event, and it's adorable, really cute.
Yeah.
So what else we got going, Barbara?
Oh, we just got all kind of fun things going on. As we know, we're getting into February tomorrow, and
where did January go?
I know. Thank goodness it's gone. The cold weather hopefully is gone for good.
Hopefully it's gone. Yes.
We're going on the 10th of February, the day before the Super Bowl. We're going to have a Super Bowl party, SOUPER, Super Bowl party, and we're going to have a chili cook-off. And you guys are going to be the judge.
Yep.
Of who wins the
tasters and the voters.
That's right. And we are going to make the chili.
We're decent cooks. Yeah, we won't poison you or anything.
No. Mine's going to win. I don't know what you're going to do.
Oh, no, that's pretty good.
But we're going at 10 o'clock and at 2 o'clock, we're going to do a free demo on how to make the bowl cozies to fit under your bowls of chili.
Exactly. And they're really good to have.
They are. They are. I love mine. In fact,
me too.
In fact, I've got about 30 cut out for my daughter.
Well, Barbara made me several years ago, and they're about worn out. So Ruth, one of our staff, made me some new ones this past Christmas. So I've got 10 now, so I can have company.
Oh, well, good. Good. Well, my daughter said that people come to her house and like them so well that they take them home with them.
Yeah.
So,
but they're great. So we would love for you to participate in that, and
but do sign up for it though.
Yeah, we would like to know how many.
Yeah, we need to know how many bowls we're going to be making.
Exactly.
And how many machines we need to have ready for it. So that'd be great. And then we're going to have some special deals on that day as well.
And store specials.
Right.
And advertise.
Right, and then Valentine's Day is just around the corner from that. So you girls and guys who are looking for something special for your sweetie, it's a good time to come shopping.
Absolutely. We've got some really good deals going on with all of our sewing machine vendors. So if you have or wanting a new sewing machine, long arm, multi-needle machine, we're the ones you need to see.
That's right.
So we'll be happy to help you with that.
Yeah, and then I'll be your teacher, so you'll be so fortunate for that. So
absolutely, yeah. And she really is a great teacher. She may be bragging on herself, but she's telling the truth. Telling the truth. So we wanted to show you some new fabric we just got in. Which is
this
adorable.
is so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my, it's adorable.
It is from Hoffman.
And this little
Look how
panel.
cute this is. Can you
the
see it, Debbie?
little panel. Oh my gosh, it's adorable.
Yep.
And then it's got all these colors. Hold it up higher.
Huh? Okay.
And then we've got all these colors of fabric that go with it. We got 2 shades of blue, orange. If you know you're having a little boy baby, that's great. But if you don't know you're having a boy, we got orange and yellow and multicolored with letters all over it.
Yep.
It's so
like
adorable.
A toss letter. Aren't those cute?
They are adorable. I tell you.
Very cute. Very
I think I might have one.
Me too. I don't have any little babies in my future right now, but you never know, and I'd just like to have one for my stash.
Yeah, I know.
So cute. Then on March the 2nd, we are having our second Bernina quilting experience. We did this a year and a half ago, and it was very successful. What will happen is that we're doing our own in-house event. So Sarah Parkin, who's manager of our Clarksville store, will come and do a demonstration on our Q24 long arm that we have in the store with the Q-matic, and we will actually make a a bench pillow, and she'll do some couching in the center, and then we'll sit down at our Q20, Q16 sit-down quilters, and we'll quilt the sides, and then we'll do some work on our regular 7 series sewing machines where you'll construct your pillow, and we'll finish it off with our L890 serger. So it's an opportunity to really try out the Bernina line and see what you think about it, and especially our long arm quilters machines, which are incredible.
They are.
So that will be on March 2nd from 10 to 4. We would love to have you join us. Again, you can sign up for that through our website, vacauthority.com.
Then on March the 10th, not March the 10th, February, the next weekend, we're going, no, that's, Quilter's Day Out is March the second Saturday in March.
Yeah,
the 9th.
The 9th. We're
We're
not great at math, so forgive us.
Yeah, well, it's been a day or two since I've looked at the calendar.
Yeah. So that will be Quilter's Day Out, which is an annual event out at in Shepherdsville at
The
Paracat Springs.
Right.
And we will have a booth, and we would love for you to come by and say hello to us, and we'll have some goodies there for you to check out.
Absolutely.
It's always a really fun day.
Right, and then Quilter's Day Out, they'll be giving away baskets that you can buy tickets for.
Right.
And then they're having a tremendous grand prize. You'll just have to come see it. It's just amazing.
Oh, we know what the grand prize is, but we're not telling.
Yeah.
Because it came from here.
That's right. It is fabulous. And so you'll want to go and register for that because it will be worth every dollar you spend on your ticket for that.
That's right. That's right.
And so,
anyway. Can we take a quick walk over and just show you our Sarah Diddy Moda Land of Enchantment fabric?
Oh, absolutely.
Debbie, if you want to.
I'm following you over.
Follow me.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of all stacked up together, but you can kind of get an idea. They're absolutely beautiful. Plus, we have the 10-inch squares. You have to come in and see it because it is to die for. We have the jelly rolls, and then we have, I think, maybe 20 bolts of fabric. Let me pull out some of these really. Oh, you see that?
Oh, no. You can't rotate. I didn't mean to.
Oh my goodness. Okay, here's the one with the tiles. These are the Talavera tiles, which we're almost sold out of already.
We've got them in white and in dark blue.
White and then yeah. So 3 colors. But you can do so much with them. You can fussy cut them and use them in quilts. And we've ordered in several of her patterns that go with this particular line. They worked on the agave pattern, which you can look up online at our event on Friday, and just had a ball with it, learned paper piecing. And they cut out these little tiles to go in the center of their
block.
Their block,
It was great.
So I know you'll want to come take a look at that too. Her colors are just
amazing.
They are. They're just very bright and very appealing and happy. Absolutely. And I think you had a tip from.
I did.
Right?
This morning we had a embroidery class, and we were learning to do embroidery, applique and cutouts. And so one of the girls, her machine was making an awful racket, and so I took it apart and looked at it, and she had quite a bit of dust in that down in the bobbin area. So ladies, men, gentlemen, please clean your machines out about every 4 to 5 bobbins, and about every 8 bobbins, take your plate off and clean up under there, because once they get real dusty, they will not work. So
we had
do that.
Somebody in last week where we pulled out a handful.
Yeah, and they won't work.
Yeah, and it was not working. And when you did that, it did work.
Yeah.
After we cleaned it, it did work.
Right.
So.
And you take a Q-tip, you take it all apart, and take a Q-tip and run around down in the area, and it'll grab that dust. Or if you got a vacuum cleaner, don't blow anything in it. Yeah. Don't blow canned air in it, please.
But if you have one of those mini attachment sets, which we sell, you can use that with your vacuum cleaner, and it will
and
suck
we've
it
got,
out.
Yeah, we have the mini vacuums that we can sell too.
Mm-hmm. We do have the Gem and the Super Quick.
Yeah.
And so we are a vacuum store too.
Yeah. So those are great to use with your machines, but please don't blow air in it. Because
don't use canned air.
No. It blows all that dust back in your machine, so please don't do that.
And we will service your machines too. We do that as well.
Yeah, that's right. And we just have all kinds of fun things we do around here.
We do. So I think that's all for today, but what do you tell everybody when we close or when we sign off?
Take time every day to sew something.
Yep. Good advice. So we'll see y'all next week. Thanks for joining us today.
Have a great day.